Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to Woo Can Cook. Today we're diving back into our series dedicated to deconstructing Americanized Chinese cuisine with a shot at the legendary orange chicken from Panda Express. For those new to this channel, in this series we have been taking apart iconically Americanized dishes from Chinese cuisine and then seeing what it might look like if we were to cook the dish through the lens of slightly more traditional Chinese wok cooking. And yes, for those following along, this is in fact the longest running series on this channel, and we have somehow not gotten to the single most iconic dish on the Panda Express menu, and that is because Panda Express actually published the recipe to this dish on Tasty not too long ago, and if I'm being absolutely honest, it doesn't sound very good. Not because it's not authentically Chinese or whatever the hell that means, but honestly it just kinda sounds really bland, so I'm gonna do my absolute best to stick to the rubric of the task at hand today and not stray too far from our original inspiration, while also coming up with something that, tastes good.